Welcome to the Mint Codemaker, your go-to destination for practical coding insights. In today's video, we're diving into the world of JavaScript arrays and tackling some of the most common challenges developers encounter during their coding journey. Today we will discuss about some of the given common problems: duplicates from an array, sorting an array of objects, grouping common items with count, finding and replacing elements in an array, counting occurrences of an element. First we are discussing duplicates from an array. In this code, we define a function remove duplicates that takes an array as input. The steps are as follows. We create an empty array unique R to store the unique elements. A set named scene is initialized to keep track of encountered elements. We iterate through the input array using a loop. For each element, we check if it's already present in the scene set. If the element is not in the set, we add it to both the unique R and the scene set. This ensures that only unique elements are added to the result array. Next we are discussing sorting an array of objects. In this code, we define a function sort by property that takes an array of objects and a property name as arguments. The process involves creating a shallow copy of the input array using the slice method to preserve the original array, utilizing the sort method with a comparison function that sorts the objects based on the specified property. The comparison function determines the sorting order by comparing elements according to the chosen property. The result is a new array where objects are sorted based on the age property. Next we are discussing grouping common items with count. In this code, we introduce a function group and count designed to handle an array of items. The key steps are as follows. We initiate an empty object named counts to serve as a container for item frequencies. Iterating through the array is performed using a loop. For each item encountered, we check if it already exists as a key in the counts object. If the item key is present, we increment its associated count. Otherwise, we initialize the count to 1. This approach creates a collection of key value pairs in the counts object, where each key represents a unique item, and its value signifies the count of occurrences. Next we are discussing finding and replacing elements in an array. This code segment defines a function find and replace intended for replacing elements within an array. The procedure involves iterating through the array using a loop, checking each element against a specified target value. If a match is found, the current element is replaced with the provided replacement value. The function returns the updated array with replacements made. Finally we are discussing counting occurrences of an element. His code snippet introduces a function count occurrences designed for counting how often a given target value appears in an array. The process includes initializing a count variable to keep track of occurrences, iterating through the array using a loop, comparing each element to the specified target value. Whenever a match is found, the count variable is incremented. The function ultimately returns the final count of occurrences of the target value within the array. Don't forget to subscribe Mint Codemaker YouTube channel and follow for more coding tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!